Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am showing you my bark box that I got. If you're interested, please keep watching. So this is my second bark box. I just got one last month, but I didn't do a video on that. Bark box is a monthly subscription box for dog toys and treats for your dogs. They keep putting out all kinds of sales if you kind of see them, but I saw one last month where it was like your first box is free and you get like an extra toy or something like that. So I went ahead and signed up for that. They suckered me in. So the boxes are like $35 a month for at least the type that I ordered. I made my subscription. I changed it so starting next month it'll be like a smaller box to be $15 a month because $35 is a lot. But I did just get a new puppy, and so I have two dogs, and my puppy is going to be going through the chewing stage and tearing up toys and all that, so I figured it might be fun to try the bark box. Anyway, so this month's theme, I guess, is fairy tales. This is fairy tales and boop time stories. So this is, they have like all these little themes. This is cute. This is Once Upon a Playtime. It has like a little thing you could fill out if you wanted to. So here's my toys. Got a little unicorn. It's like crinkly. I don't know if it squeaks. Oh, okay. So it squeaks and it's crinkly. I'm sure the dogs like the crinkly sounds, but I kind of don't like the crinkly toys because I always hear them and I think the dogs are getting into something that they shouldn't be. But a lot of them are like that now. I have a boy and a girl dog. So this is really cute. It says Bob the Barking Unicorn. It's for large, 50 pounds plus. None of my dogs are 50 pounds yet, but my puppy is he's a golden retriever, so he's going to be big soon. And then I got this toy in here as well. It's a little star wand. It's really cute. Let's see what this is. This one's squeaky and crinkly as well. So there's that. And then they also have treats in the box. Looks like they gave the same treats last time. Last time we got an extra treat and extra toy. But they had these jackaloops with pumpkin and cinnamon. This is the #1 ingredient is pumpkin. Pumpkin is actually supposed to be pretty good for your dog, like for their stomach and stuff. This is their soft cookies, no meat, no added greens. My dogs do like this. My one dog had to take, she didn't like them initially, but she does like them now. But these are good little treats. We got them last time. So we got these pork liver crunchies. These are really good. The dogs really like these. It's 100% pork liver. They're pretty small, so they're good for like training treats. So it's 100% pork liver. They're freeze dried. They're made in Canada. So there's that. And then I got our chew stick pumpkin and honey recipe. Since I only have one, it's pretty long. I would probably just break it in half and give a half to each dog. Yes, I guess last time I must have got double treats. I think last time I got, I had two of these, and then 2 sticks. And then I think I got 3 toys last time. So I pretty much got a double box last time for the first box. So if you're looking to sign up, maybe look and see what kind of deals they have. Seems like they have a lot of different things going on. But I think that's really cute. Like I said, I do like the, my dogs do like the treats so far. And the toys have all been like good quality. Like this is a good quality toy. I don't know how well you can tell on camera, but the ones we've had so far, you know, we have 2 dogs tearing them up. And they seem, I mean, they look really nice to me. So maybe the cost isn't too bad. I just don't typically spend that much on buying, you know, extra toys and everything monthly. But yeah, let me know if you have BarkBox below and let me know what you think of it. But if you're interested, I can put the link for BarkBox below. I don't have any kind of code or anything like that because I'm not sponsored by them. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Check out all my links below. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. Take care.